In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up courses and enter students into classes in the WebTess class list system. First, we'll log into WebTess. Then we will go to Class Lists, Setup, and Set up Terms, Days, and Periods. In this screen, we set up the terms, days, and periods or semesters for your school. Many schools run on a semester system where students take some classes in the first semester and different classes in the second semester. And they may also take some classes that run year through. Some schools run on quarters, where students switch classes each quarter of the school year, as well as taking courses that run all year through. You can set the number to match your school. For days, most schools use a one-day schedule, which indicates that students that take the same classes each day or on the same period rotation. Other schools have a two-day schedule where classes may alternate between day 1 and day 2. For periods, enter the number of periods or blocks in your schedule. You can use letters such as A, B, C, D or numbers for the periods. You can also enter the standard maximum class size, as well as the start and end dates for each semester, but this is optional. Click Save when you're finished. Next, we'll go to Class Lists, Setup, and Set up Classes. You can print a list of your courses at any time by clicking the Print button, and it will print all of the courses that you have entered. We can select any course by clicking on a row from the list. To add a new course, in this section at the top, Add Course, type in the course number and then the course name, the course type, which is C for compulsory, O for optional, or A for alternate, the code, level, exam are used to indicate state or provincial course codes if this is required for your school. The exam code is usually ME to indicate an exam is required, or MX for no exam. Then you can enter the number of credits for the course, and the course weight, which is used when the program calculates the GPA. Let's put in a new course. Click Add to add the new course. The course is added and put at the top of the list. Then I can click on the course to create sections. You can include an optional course description. The section is used so that you can have more than one class of this course. To create a new section, just type in a new section number and then put in the period or block when the course takes place and the term or semester. If you have 2 semesters, you can put in 1 for the first semester, 2 for the second semester, or 1-2 to indicate the course runs all year. Then select the teacher, and then put in the classroom, and then click Add to add the class. Now we can enter students directly into the class. Click on the section. To add a student to the class, we just type in the name of the student or their student number. To remove a student from the class, click the Remove button at the far right side of the screen. Then click OK to confirm removing the student from the class. We can also copy and paste students from this class to another class and back. To copy this class, click the Copy button at the bottom of the screen, and the list of students is copied into the clipboard. Then click the Close button and we'll go back to the class we want to copy the students into. So we'll close this, and I'm going to select the class I want to copy these students into. I'm going to choose French 10, and I'm going to create a new section to paste them into, so I'll put them into section 6, and set up the teacher, add, click on section 6, then I can click the paste button at the bottom, confirm that I want to paste the students into this class, and the students have now been pasted into the class. To print this class list, I can click Print. You can also go to Class Lists, Reports, and print a wide variety of class list reports, including student schedules, class lists by teacher, class size reports, the master schedule, and teacher schedules. To print class lists, let's go to Class Lists, Reports, Class Lists, and choose by class, by course, by teacher, or by period. I will choose by class. Then select the classes you want to print. Load a custom design if you want to. Then click OK. And you will see the report of the classes that I have selected. To print student schedules, go to Class Lists, Reports, Schedules, and Student Schedules. Select the students you want to print. You can select by grade, by home form, or any group of students that you want to print. Then click OK, and the student schedules will be printed. You can then click Print, and the report will be printed. To print teacher schedules, go to Class Lists, Reports, go to Teacher Schedule Report, select the teachers that you want to print, select the terms and periods, then click OK, and here are the teacher schedule reports. To print the master schedule, which is a report listing all the classes in your school, go to Class Lists, Reports, Master Schedule, select the courses that you want to print, then click OK. Here is the master schedule report. You can also print the master schedule report by period. So for example, I can print just the courses that are in A and B blocks by checking off just A and B, then click OK. And here's the master schedule just for my A block and my B block classes. And at this point I can click Print, and it will print out the report for me.